Here, Zamac 2019.
That's the Xanax model.
Yo, what is good, you guys? So it's bright and early Saturday morning. We're heading out. We're actually headed out to the valley today because there's a big Hot Wheels car meet there, and I couldn't miss it. So I'm gonna show you guys some cars. But honestly, I'm gonna go there more for some Hot Wheels. I like collecting Hot Wheels, so yeah, I'm hoping I can pick up a Hot Wheel or two at this Hot Wheels Legends Tour meet. And see you guys there, show you guys some cars. Alright, how do you like this line, Tommy? This is the car meet, this is why we're here.
This is what we came for, man.
Yeah, we're here to wait in line. Alright, so we're just waiting in line to go to this vending machine thing.
But this one is lit.
Yeah, dude. Cool, we're there. Just trying to get those Hot Wheels. Cool. All right, so we waited an hour in line, and they ran out of whatever the Hot Wheel was. So now we got posters though. Damn, so we gotta put Tommy's jacket back because it's too hot. It's too hot out here.
It's hot out.
Yeah, so we'll maybe show you guys some cars now that we're done waiting in line for no reason. The McLarens. We got this, I like this RWB thing though. Oh, you have this one, right? Got the GTR. Little Liberty Walking 92, this is nice. Got a little my car here, and some Sprint Heart CPs. CPRs. It's chill. It's basically my car. What else they got here? Little FK8s. Little TE joints on here. Whoa, look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Interesting. I think this guy liked the movie.
Bro.
It's got a super clean SI on some Bugans. Damn. It is hella clean. This thing is sick. It has a Honda motorcycle engine in it, like a 600cc engine, and the thing's sick. Yeah, so they put the CBR engine inside of this little.
Just a tiny.
It's the S600, I think, or something. I forgot the name of it, or the original Honda. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Though, so like it's like cool, but it's like it's kind of generic. It doesn't really do much.
There's the good one.
Then you got this guy over here with the wide body. This car's crazy sick though. Looks ridiculous like this. I like it. High-tech wide body, the TEs. Let the kids honk the horn. Do you want to honk the horn, Tommy?
Yeah, I kind of want to overdo it. Like, okay.
What do we got here? Another wide body joint.
That OG Kush colorway.
The OG, the purple Kush colorway. It's got the TEs, you know, the red. What is this?
What I'm trying to see is who's got that Kim K spec.
Dude, we saw those already. What is this? Interesting. What sort of car?
The front's a little better.
No, but the front, like, it's funny because the rear looks like...
What is this, like a new NSX kit car?
Or NSX, I think it's NSX. Right?
NSX?
I guess. This is the definition of generic.
Yeah.
Of like, this is a generic car that kind of looks like it's fast.
Yeah.
What do we
like a
got
Hot
here?
Wheels that would be like Speed
Yeah,
Blaster.
it's got one with the carbon fiber. Is this a Kia Optima?
Full carbon?
I think it is.
Oh,
dude.
see the wide body E36.
Oh, the wide. This is pretty fire, actually. Double step LMs. On the Storo Blue. It's pretty sick. Yeah.
I like that.
The BBSs.
Yeah.
Pretty sick.
They hit us in the passenger side rear. It's one of those like jet trucks.
Jet engine truck.
Have you ever seen these like race? It's hilarious.
You've seen these race?
Yeah.
Really?
They straight up put a jet engine on the back of a heavy truck and they just fucking do a quarter mile in like half a second. Yeah, it's crazy. It's fucking insane.
Wait, have you seen this in real life?
Yeah, not in real life. I've seen it like,
on YouTube.
I've seen it on like.
I wonder how this thing. We're trying to figure out how this thing got here. The interior, I don't think you can see it, but it's orange. The cars. It's cool. I like this. I like this. I like the Tic Tacs.
Me too.
This thing is funky. Look at big engine, blower, in whatever this is. I don't even know what that is. What? Oh, that's the SVJ.
Oh fuck. No, I need to plan her.
Damn.
Yeah, but she had her surgery and everything, but she came out like they didn't give her enough oxygen. She's loopy, so it's been 2 days. And I don't know. Now the day yesterday was the 3rd day.
I really enjoy the size of the fucking brakes on this thing.
I mean, they're massive. They're like the biggest brakes possible. I just like the. I don't know. It's just the crazy version. It's the SVJ version. Yeah. I wonder if this is a real Sport Classic. I think it is. I think it is. I think this is a Sport Classic.
How can you tell?
Well, I mean, it has the full body kit and the color is the right one.
But he could have knocked it off, right?
Yeah, but I mean, I think it's real because he's got all the stuff. I haven't seen one of these in so long. It's got to be real though. He's got the. See that?
If it's not real.
No, but you see, he's got the die cast up there.
Like,
he's like, this is the car. This is the one. What? This vanity plate? She thick. That's pretty funny, actually. But he's not even. He doesn't even got the wide body.
no, I don't understand. How can you put that on a non-wide
That's true.
body? But wait.
Look at this thing. What? The E500? The E500 station wagon? Yeah, that's sick. This is it right here. This is what I want. Make an offer, huh? I like that. It's pretty funny. E63. This is the dream daily right here. We got this guy driving around. And the big boat. Car me, baby. That's what we came here to see. The Lime Rock right here. Lime Rock E92. This guy really wants, he really wants you to know that it's the Lime Rock one.
Yeah.
It's got it everywhere on the car. Lime Rock Park. It's the racetrack name. Yeah. This is a Hot Wheel, right?
It must be.
Look at the license plate. You see that? It literally just says Barbie. This thing's pretty wild. I think this is the Barbie Hot Wheel car, dude.
It must be the Barbie car.
Yeah. It genuinely has like a full white interior, dude. Look at all these old C10s, old trucks. I like it. He has C10 in Spanish as his license plate. C10. Damn, this guy got the. Whew. He listened to that Lil Keat song and was like, man, pull up and the IE doors go up. We got this.
Pretty funny dog nut.
What is this? Is this the dog car? Do you see this? I think it's supposed to be a dog, dude. Yeah, it is supposed to be a dog.
Yep, definitely a dog.
Yep. You see how big that is? It's got a little. It's just got an iPad in there or something.
Viper.
And it has a Viper SRT10 engine.
It's a little scary for us.
Huh.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah.
It has a Viper engine. V10 in here. Viper V10 in here. That's unique. That's a unique vehicle. It's like a. What are those things? What are these things called? That yeah, but like.
Oh, the slingshot.
No, I just
Slingshot?
because you started talking.
But it has like a V10.
I like would be horrified on this thing.
It's like a. That's crazy. Little 1-to-1 sized Hot Wheels over here. Like this guy even a. Oh, he's got so many of his car in his car. That's pretty funny. It's the 1-to-1 scale. We're just checking out the line that we left. We would still probably be like an hour. There's still probably like an hour of us waiting in this line where we got out. And it's probably gonna sell out by the time it gets there because everyone's buying. I mean, they got how many?
At least 4.
Yeah. I mean, everyone's gonna get one each. Yeah, so it's just like some rare Hot Wheel that we kind of wanted, but we woke up too late and got here too late apparently. It's limited, so yeah. But I can't try this on though because it's stuck. Alright, so I'm buying these gloves so I can get a free spin. You guys spend $20. Looking down here. We got it. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? We found him.
Found something I don't have.
We found him. He's in here. He's doing it.
I don't know what happened. We got it all. We got wheels, we got gloves.
We got $20 worth of stuff each.
We got
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
So we can get a spin. Yeah, so you gotta spend $20. You get a free spin. $20 on Hot Wheels and stuff. So.
You see the size?
So man, you
That's
see
the
that.
Close stuff. Well, I do too. So
Some spin?
That's still hard.
What a low number. What a delicate spin.
See what happens.
I almost got the 11, dude.
The 12.
Let's go.
Oh, I got the good one.
Oh, nice. Nice. Let's see it, Tommy. You got it. You won it.
We came a long way.
Came a long way. Came from the bottom, but we here. We did it. We lit. What? We did it. Damn. Wait. Let me look at it actually. What do we got here? Zamac 2019.
That's the Xanax model.
Damn, dude. I'm jealous. Not gonna
I'll
lie.
sell it to you for $100.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm jealous of that one.
Marshall got the
sad,
L.
dude.
Marshall took the L today. He came home with
shit?
the Larry Wood.
What is this?
Something.
Trash.
Something.
Trash. LMO2.
Gray Automotive.
All right, you guys. Yeah, that's gonna be it, dude. We're gonna peace out of here. Tommy scored. Whew. I'm jealous.
I got that dub today, folks.
Damn. All right, you guys. Shit, that's gonna be it. Peace.